Technology these days is a very prominent thing. However, technology doesn't just apply to phones or computers. It can also apply to sports. Over the past few months, the swim team has been able to buy underwater cameras and be provided with a TV for those cameras. Along with the cameras, the team has been able to get fancy equipment like breakout bars and power towers. So, how does this fancy equipment work?
The underwater camera has an underwater camera with a feed to an Apple TV, and it has a 10-second delay. So the kids can swim and then they can stop, watch themselves, or if we do like a full video breakdown, a coach will sit with them and go over some technical aspects of swimming. The camera for the divers is out of the water and they can watch themselves dive, and it's set on a delay also, so they have time to go underwater. They come up, they watch their dives, the coach can slow down. Both the underwater and above water camera, we can slow down and look frame by frame at some deficiencies. The breakout sticks, they just kind of sit on top of the water and then the kids have to go under them like dolphins.
Technological benefits aren't just for the coaches. They also apply to swimmers so they can see the mistakes they are making.
I think it's really benefited us a lot. I didn't really know what my stroke looked like other than what coaches were telling me, but being able to see the camera really helped me visualize what I could change in my stroke, along with just fixing a little minor stuff.
It is known that a new pool is being built at this very moment. So, as the pool improves, this new technology will hopefully improve too. There are varying opinions on this matter from both the swimmers and the coaches.
I think with the new natatorium coming in, the technology that we have now and that we're going to be getting in the future will definitely help new swimmers and current swimmers with their techniques and their different strokes that they work on, and it can help us score more points and just move up in general.
I don't know that like the new pool is going to have a huge impact on new technology. I think as far as like some safety features that the new pool is going to have, there's going to be a great benefit, but as far as technology and helping swimmers improve, I think it's going to be using what we have, maybe expanding and having a couple different cameras setups going at the same time. But as far as just the new pool itself, technology-wise, I don't think that there's anything that's going to pay a big benefit.
While Coach Sincroft doesn't believe there are any negatives to this tech, Jace has a different opinion. It's the financial aspect that worries her.
I think the only negatives that I can think of are and would be the cost, because a lot of the equipment for swimming especially begins to be very expensive the more useful it is, and that's why we do fundraisers throughout the year, and we're going to try and do more fundraisers and earn more money this year to try and gain more equipment.
The future of this technology is very hopeful, along with a variety of options for new technology Sincroft wants to see for the swimmers. With this, it can be concluded that the swim program will grow not only in numbers, but in the technology and equipment used to make the swimmers better.
This is a great start. I think as far as some other technology we're going to put to use, they have like some velocity meters where you can tell like how fast the swimmers are moving, and we can show them some like dead spots. There's some other technology, maybe some tempo trainers. We can use some tempo trainers and we can help kids figure out like what tempos their arms should be moving for the best racing possible, stuff like that.